One of the questions we already received was if sleep affects our posture, the way we sleep.
Again, the answer is yes, but it's a complex answer because in reality, the spine is a stack of small bones, right? Imagine you're going to take a little stone stuck on top of each other, and even to make it even more tricky, you're going to put a little cushions in between. And that's why we have a discs to minimize the damage of the bone and create a little cushion. Now, something needs to hold the stack of stones together, stack of bones together, right? Otherwise, it's going to fall apart. Yes, we have a little muscles. Yes, we have ligaments, but in reality, we rely on the earth because we walk, not fly here, right? We rely on a surface that creates a support. And that support carries us through, the ground creates a support. That's a little more, it's harder to walk in the sand, for example, right? Even, when you in the water, you want to put your feet on the ground because you're looking for that support. So at night, we also rely on certain support. Our brain is looking to get a message from the spine that it's supported by something. And that something is a bed. Majority of people do like to kind of go with the commercials around our lives often. We start eating what's being advertised, and the perception of good food and bad food changed our minds significantly just because of the advertisement. And that's very unfortunate. And we start buying the stuff that we think would be great for our spines. In reality, the harder the surface, and it's been proven through thousands of years, the harder the surface, the healthier the spine. The harder the surface, the more message sent to the brain that there's a support mechanism for the spine, and the muscles can relax. So if you wake up in the morning and you are tired, if you wake up in the morning and your body is hurting, then you should go and look at your mattress. If it's not creating a proper support for your spine, if it doesn't feel that you lay on a hard cradle versus like you're sinking in to the surface of the mattress, your brain knows that, and your muscles will be engaging into stability, meaning they go into spasm, and they're constantly going to be working throughout the night exactly when they're supposed to rest and heal. Okay. So that's not going to happen.
And a lot of the beds advertised lately are these softer foam type beds.
Yes, and that's what I was referring to.
Concerning, yeah. I mean, we tried it out when we were looking for a new mattress, and it was terrible for our backs, so we did not go with that.
I was a victim of that as well, and I like to try things on myself. I spent the money, I threw it out, and I said, it's okay, I'm going to go back to the hardest mattress I can find, the hardest surface I can find. It's okay if you have a pillow top. Again, there's a very good, spring mattresses right now. They mix in spring and silicones that really create a very adequate support. Yes, it's okay if they have a pillow top because it just softens for the muscles, but you're still getting a very strong support, firm support underneath for your brain to register and say, okay, I can shut down the muscles. It's comfortable.
Yeah,
I can sleep.